Do you need an idea for a fun St. Patrick's Day card? Well, make sure to stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from the beardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to show you these really fun Shamrock cutout cards for St. Patrick's Day. Aren't they cool? They use the draw function on your CRICUT or your cutting machine to draw all of the details that I have come up with. And then it cuts out a cool shamrock shape on the front. So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file and then we'll get started making it. Okay, we're here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then you'll be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library. And once you fill out the password and hit Enter, you'll be brought to all the files. You're going to head to number 64, which is the Shamrock card. You're going to want to click that hyperlink, download the file to your computer, and then we can open up Design Space. Alright, we have a new project open in Design Space. We're going to go to Upload, then Upload Image, and Browse, and find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and then Save. Highlight that image, and then click Insert Image, and it will bring the design into our canvas. There we go. Now you'll see that everything has already been set for you. You don't have to change anything. However, just for presentation, I'm going to change the color of the pen to the dark green color. This is totally optional. This is just for presentation purposes. It is not necessary to do this. Go ahead and click Make It. And then in the matte preview, you'll see the different mattes. We have the outer card layer, the inner card layer, and then the envelope. You can go ahead and click Continue. Once your computer syncs with Design Space, you will then choose your materials, and then we can get making it. Alright, for this project, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our cardstock, our scoring wheel or scoring stylus, the dark green pen in my case. This came from the Tapestry pen set from CRICUT, and your CRICUT scraper. I'm going to get everything loaded and get the machine all set up, and I will see you once everything has been cut out. Alright, everything's been cut out, so now it's time to assemble. We're going to grab the outer card layer and gently fold along the score line. And then you're going to want to take your scraper and just press that fold so that it's nice and crisp. There we go. Open the card up. You're going to take your insert and place that into the little tabs on this blank section here. Just like that. It's kind of like a reverse insert card. There we go, you can see that a little bit better now. So you can open up the card and it says Sláinte on it. Alright, let's do the envelope now. You're going to want to fold along all the score lines. And then press all of those folds with your CRICUT scraper. There we are. And then take some glue and add glue to the tabs and then fold it up so that it forms the envelope. Now I know that I put the glue on the bottom portion or the middle portion instead of the two outer tabs, but it really doesn't matter. There we go. So here's one more look at it. Got the outside of the card with the Happy St. Patrick's Day and the shamrock cutout. You open it up and it says Sláinte. I think it's pretty cool. I know the St. Patrick's Day, probably, unless you're Irish, you don't really send cards, but you know how I am. I got to do a card for every holiday. I like to have a whole bunch in my little binder that I have at home. I hope that you guys do make this because it really is such a fun card. And right now, since everything is going on, we're not really going to be out celebrating St. Patrick's Day like we have in years past. So why not remind people of either the good times, slipping up photo or something like that. I think that would be really fun, a really good idea. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so that you know every time that I come out with a video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have tons of other card tutorials, so make sure that you go and check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I am the Bearded Housewife. I will see you all later. Bye.